So this video is going to be straight and to the point. Back in April, before I even officially started this channel, there was something I shared on LinkedIn, if you are on my LinkedIn, where I basically said, be careful headhunters who are just trying to really scam you and kind of connect with you on your LinkedIn, because all they want is your, access to your network. So then around in early June, I put together a video when I did officially start this channel, where I think the title of the video is "Don't Fall for This LinkedIn Scam." So this is kind of a quick extension of that. So there was something that happened about 3 weeks ago, and I've been really patient for the past 3 weeks, and I still didn't get anything from the person. So now it's time to, call them out. So today is what, August 20th? So on July 27th, a person by the name of Shane Gerhard sent me a note, which actually was really a LinkedIn request with a note. And he said, "Hi Al, we're recruiting more mentors for our startups in the New Chip Accelerator. I'd like a chance to connect with you to tell you more about our mentor program, Shane." So when I saw this email come in, I said, okay, this is not a headhunter, but let me be a little bit cautious of this. So here's what I did. I didn't accept his LinkedIn request at first, but instead, I sent him a note back. I think this was a very normal note that I sent this guy. I wrote, "Hi Shane, can you tell me more about this mentorship program without asking for a connection request up front? If you don't at least offer a reply, I'll know how to handle this. Best Al." So I gave him that benefit of the doubt. I wrote him back the same day, and yeah, I questioned it. Why do you necessarily need to connect with me? If you watch that video of mine that's called "Don't Fall for This LinkedIn Scam," where I talk about headhunters not to be confused with HR managers, when I get emails, LinkedIn emails from actual HR managers that have a position that they think I might be good for, they never ask for a connection request. They just simply send me a note through LinkedIn, an initial note. So I never got anything back from this guy, and this was July 27th, and now it's August 20th. So you know what? This is another person who is just full of you-know-what, and I want to make sure that you guys also know this, because I really would never tell you what to do, but I hope that you'll stay away from people like this. And you know what? The fact that this guy's getting called out, too bad.
So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of my book. And I'll answer your comments and questions during the QA video for that week.